guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to be showing you a new way or new style for me of how to make a deco mesh wreath, and I'm using the 10-inch, it's a polyester fabric mesh, and you'll need 2 rolls. You'll need 1 wire wreath form from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some ribbon with wire, your scissors or rotary cutter, some floral stem wire, your hot glue gun and glue sticks, and 1 floral pick. You will also need some zip ties or pipe cleaners. And you're going to take your deco mesh and cut it at 12 inches. Next, you're going to let your deco mesh lay flat on your table with the curled edges going toward the ceiling. Take your top left corner, fold it to the middle, your bottom right corner, fold it to the middle, and walk your fingers up the deco mesh. Keep it pinched tightly in the center. Take your right side, twist it forward, take your left side, twist it forward, then gather it at the bottom. Now you'll want to take a pipe cleaner or zip tie, and you're going to attach it to the second wire from the inner circle, and then you're going to put the little part of the deco mesh that you have pinched together in the zip tie and pull it nice and tight. You're going to do the same process all the way around your wreath. So take your deco mesh with the curled edges toward the ceiling, top left corner, fold it to the center, bottom right corner, fold it to the center, walk your fingers up it, keep it pinched tightly in the center, then flip your right side forward, then your left side forward, pinch it tightly at the bottom, and it works easier for me to attach the zip tie to the second wire and don't pull it tight, and then you can thread the mesh through it, then pull it tight. Notice how my deco mesh is laying just like it was when I cut it at 12 inches. So fold opposite corners to the middle, gather it tightly in the center, make your sides flip up, pinch the bottom part of the deco mesh together, and take it and slide it in the zip tie that you've already attached to the wire wreath form. Slide it through, then pull the zip tie nice and tight and trim off the extra part of the zip tie and push your deco mesh forward each time because you want it nice and full and fluffy. You can use pipe cleaners to attach your deco mesh if you would like. So you can either twist them on the top side of the wreath or the back side. And I was able to get 7 bundles of the deco mesh per section, and mine was nice and full. So you'll want to get at least 7 bundles per section. Same steps all the way around. Julie's Wreath Boutique, she makes similar, she calls them petals. I don't know if mine quite looks like a petal or not because I'm not as good as her, but if you go to Julie's Wreath Boutique, she makes a lot of these beautiful flower wreaths, and she kind of used similar method to what I'm using here. It will take almost 2 rolls of the 10-inch deco mesh, and I bought this deco mesh from Craft Outlet, and it says polyester mesh on the packaging. So this is how it looks with 2 sections, and now I have it finished, and it's nice and full and fluffy. I just love the way it looks without doing anything else to it. I hung it up on my dining room wall so you can kind of look at it and see what you think. So I really like the way it looks just plain, but if y'all have watched my channel for very long, y'all know that I like to add a bow to just about everything I make. This ribbon is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. Let out a tail, make your first loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, let out more ribbon, go to the other side, try to make the loop the same size as your first loop, let out more ribbon, go to your other side, try to make your loop the same size on each side, and just go back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side until you get the bow the size you want. Then let out a tail, and you'll want to have either a pipe cleaner or some floral stem wire close by to wrap tightly around the center of your bow. And I'm using 20 gauge floral stem wire, and you'll want to leave your wires long, so just give them a twist and get it nice and tight around the center of your bow. Then to dovetail the ends, take your ribbon, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to your folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. Then you'll want to go back and fluff the loops of your bow. To attach the bow, I'm just placing mine on the bottom center, and I'm taking the wires and just threading them through the Deco mesh, and then going to go to the back of the wreath and give the wires a few twists and cut off the extra part of the wires. If I would have had some watermelon ribbon or some watermelon decorations, I would have definitely added them to this wreath. That would be so cute for summer. So I added a bow, and I thought I just want to add something else, so I cut 2 strips of the same ribbon, and I cut them at 24 inches. I just kind of pinched the ribbon together in my fingers, and then I just took a pipe cleaner and cut it in thirds, and then I just went down and kind of separated the Deco mesh so that I could see the wire, and then I attached the pipe cleaner around the wire and gave it a few twists. And then I forgot to dovetail my ribbon, the ends of it at first, but you'll want to dovetail the ends of your ribbon. And so here I'm just giving the pipe cleaner a few twists and going to fold the extra part down. And then don't pull your ribbon tight. Leave it kind of loose, but not too loose. And then find another spot where you can attach the pipe cleaner to the wreath form. Then go the back and give it a few twists and dovetail your ends. I did this same step on both sides. And in the comments section below, let me know where you like to buy your ribbon or where you order your ribbon online, because I'm needing some suggestions or recommendations for where I can get some new ribbon for summer. To hang this wreath up, I just took a larger zip tie and I just zip tied it around the top of the frame, made a loop and then hung it up on the nail. And so this is how it looks with the 2 strips of ribbon on the left and right side of the bow. And then I decided I still wanted to add something else, so I went and looked, and I had some Dollar Tree floral picks. So I picked out one that had the hot pink flowers, and I believe it was a dahlia. And so I just took the dahlia and I just pulled them right off, the flowers right off the stem, and I just hot glued them right onto the wreath. So this is how it looks. Let me know in the comments section what you think of this wreath and this new style. Do you think it's a win or not? If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you don't mind, please leave me a comment below, because it really helps my channel and helps me to get noticed by YouTube. Thank you guys. Stay safe.